Hello, my name is Richard Hastings, Tarmac. Single-layer asphalts provide an excellent alternative to conventional two-layer construction. The alternative approach will deliver benefits in carbon saving and reductions in program and disruption. The application of single-layer asphalt includes use on strategic and local road networks, car parks, and footways. So let's start with what we mean by single-layer asphalt. Basically, it is an asphalt that is designed to have the structural load-bearing properties of a binder course and the durability and texture of a surface course. Single-layer asphalt can either be used in new construction, which is shown in the diagram on the left, where traditional binder and surface course layer construction is replaced with a single layer. It shows that in place of 100 mil, a single layer can be reduced to a thickness of 77 mil to give the same performance while saving 23% on material. The diagram on the right shows a highway maintenance application where it is an alternative to milling out both the binder and surface course layers, installing a thin layer in its place, again showing the material saving. So a single layer approach provides many benefits. It enables servicing program times to be reduced, and that reduction reduces the disruption to road users. Reductions in both the amount of asphalt used and the saving on program provide lower carbon numbers. The increased depth of single layer enables greater heat retention, which will assist during the compaction phase. Asphalts that are compacted at the optimum temperature will be more durable. The interface between the layers is an inherent weakness. A single layer eliminates both the need for bond coats, where there is a risk of delamination between the upper and lower layers, and water migration. The use of single layer can also be a solution for difficult sites. So, for example, the scheme on the A312 Mandeville Road in the London Borough of Ealing originally was to mill out 70 mil of binder and 40 mil of surface course. Cores revealed hazardous tar-bound materials below 80 mil. Following client engagement with the supply chain, the agreed solution was a single layer that would be installed, avoiding the milling out of the hazardous tar material. The selection of the most appropriate single layer asphalt will be dependent on the site specifics of the scheme and the desired outcomes, and therefore engagement is key. The single layer product range for highways is Ultifastpath 20 mil single layer, which is a VBA HAPAS approved Clause 942 single layer surface course system, which is approved to be laid between 50 and 100 mil depth. Where Clause 942 is not required, a single layer approach with either an multi-layer, single layer 20 or 14 mil material, which is a designed SMA type material manufactured with a high quality PMB, or Ultifastpath, which is a 14 mil nominal AC mixture, which is broadly based on EME2 composition. The nominal size of the single size layers, being 14 or 20 mil, have the added benefit of conserving the scarce commodity, which is high PSV 10 mil. Next, we'll look at the different applications for single layers. This slide shows Marylebone Road, London. During 2019, a scheme was planned to be delivered by Eurovia for Transport for London. The original scheme was to mill out 60 mil of binder and 40 mil of surface course and to replace the two layers. An alternative solution of using a single layer was adopted following discussions. The reason for adopting the single layer approach were it enabled increased outputs to be achieved, the highway could be reopened for traffic each morning, and the overall program period was shortened. The scheme delivered the materials and program saving and was also therefore a lower carbon option. The asphalt installed was an multi-layer 14 mil, which was laid between 75 and 90 mil depth. The application of single layer asphalt on footways provides several benefits over traditional construction. A single layer reduces construction time and therefore disruption to pedestrians. Traditional two-layer construction can be susceptible to freeze-thaw effect through water ingress. Single layer has better heat retention, giving extended compaction window, allowing larger areas to be worked. The single layer 10 mm asphalt can be laid up to 70 mm depth, and so is used in full depth reconstruction or is an ideal option for flag to flex schemes. The Tarmac brand for single layer footway asphalt is Ultifastpath. A typical design of 50 mm of 20 mm dense binder, 100 and 150 pen, and 20 mm of 6 mm dense surface course, 100 and 150 pen, could be reduced to 57 mm of Ultifastpath, saving 19% in depth whilst achieving the same stiffness. Therefore, a lower carbon option, giving material construction and program savings. A new surface was required for an industrial parking area located at Kidlington near Oxford. The surface was laid in 2015, and this image was taken in November 2020. The client needed a car park to be completed quickly as possible to provide convenient and safe parking for employees. The original specification was 100 mm binder and 40 mm surface course. Tarmac recommended the alternative Ultifastpath 14 mm at 70 mm depth over compacted recycled type 1 material. The asphalt combined with Warmex technology provided savings on carbon dioxide emissions. Surfacing work was completed in a single day, halving the estimated time that it would have taken required to do the original design. 244 tonnes of material were saved, along with labour and plant, giving a total cost saving of £19,000. In addition to the reduced carbon emissions from using Warmex asphalt, the original design would have needed a further 244 tonnes of asphalt to be manufactured and an additional 12 vehicle movements of transport to and from the site. So in summary, the use of single layer asphalts can reduce construction program times. This creates saving on site-related operations, including plant, labour and traffic management. The alternative approach delivers carbon saving from reduced material usage and program savings. Further improvements on carbon can be achieved by using Warmex asphalt options. Single layer asphalts are available in a wide range of options to provide the optimum asphalt for the specific site and required outcomes. Tarmac can advise on the applications, layer thicknesses and performance of the asphalt. They are alternative and innovative approach with a proven track record built on years of experience. Thank you for joining this session. If you have any questions, please add to the chat line. Thank you.